Hello. We're at Cotton Arms, Wrenbury, camp set up. We've been set up for about 2 hours probably. Right. Come on, where's my pie? Oh, there. Right, I've had to tune my TV in so Tasha can watch Love Island. Say hello. There we go, Luke. And here we are. Look at your face, chalky face. And here's Shame. Say hello, Shame.
You look good.
Yeah, you look damn good. Damn good. There's the TV, look at the screen. Brilliant picture. Right, we're going to have a walk. There's Sammy. Kiss. Love Island, she's watching. This is Love Island here. Right, sorted. Shame's lit a fire. Got a fire going.
Bonfire.
Bonfire. Hello, where's Rosa? Where's Shane? Chilling. Brilliant.
Hello.
Where's Logan?
Let's get some more wood.
Yeah, you don't need too much wood. You don't want a bonfire. Right. Safi. Rambo's round the other side. Here's Messi, look. One of Rambo's and Sapphire's pup. Oh, look how good Big Bertha looks. Awesome. Hey? Oh, I did. Hasn't Sam got you on?
No, I'm only joking.
Oh, alright. I know I drank his Stella. Well, we didn't drink it the other week, and yesterday, or the other day, it was hot. I said, oh, I can feel like summit. Oh, Shame's got a Stella in my fridge. And it was a pint, so I drunk it. I meant gain one back. Or Sam should have done. Right. While we're wandering round, people see me talking to this, think I've lost it. Right, it's nice sight this, oh, I never remember its name. Thingy Arms, Cotton Arms. Right, when we got here, you know, it rained all the way here. We've had sun for 6 weeks, 7 weeks, and it rained all the way here. We put the awning up in the rain, me and Sam did, and everything. Stop now, we've got fire going, everything. Brilliant. Buzzing. Some lovely vans on here. Look at these, God in a minute. These trousers are falling down, I'll have to out my belt. Probably salmon are feeding me enough. Must be losing weight. I won't say what she calls me. Oh, just look at there. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. So I was just seeing if it's proper recording, so I can see it flashing, so it must be. Oh. That's the bowling green. You know it's burnt. Still burnt. We were down here about 3 weeks ago, but since then we've been Carsington Water, we've been Haberdashers, lovely place. One of my favourite places, the Haberdashers is. We come back here. We have lovely. That's it, it's having a walk down to this pub. Oh, nice. Nice to see you. That's it. You know, we're supposed to have some sun as well. It'll kick back into good weather. Yeah. Right, sorted. Right. I'll just pause it. Or I'll go toilet. That's it. Right. Having a wander back. It's warm, isn't it?
It's nice now.
Say it's getting dark, I don't know what time it is now. 9ish, 10ish, 9:30. We didn't start out till late. Oh, it's nice, I like that. Yeah, how good that looks. Yeah, there's a few here. If you have a look round. It was packed last time we come, if you remember, because they had the caravan club on here. So this side was proper full. You can see Big Bertha in the distance, that fire. There. That's where it is. Oh, there's that Epping we saw last time. Look at that. The awning's bigger. The awning's bigger than the van. Yeah, smart though. We're all playing footy up there. It's a lovely night now. Now it stopped, I'm sweating, I've got a coat off. Because they've got a proper bonfire burning, all my wood. You've got to trust them. Campfires, I keep saying. But we don't know what that means. It is. Right, and we're coming up to camp, Luke. Yeah, baby. Yeah, there's a few people over there as well. Yeah, quite a few. Not bad, not bad. Aye. Look at the dogs. Nessie. There's Safi. I'll go see if we see Rambo, eh? Aye. That's it. You say, oh, Logan. There's Rambo with a bottle of Coke. Must be thirsty. Go for the fire. Get all the people. Sorted. Right. Catch you later. It's 10 to 11. There's me, Sam, and Logan around the fire. There's the fire. Lovely. Lovely night. Yeah, Sherman, Tash, Shane and Rosa have gone to the pub. They'll be bloody shot soon.
When Dad, it's just 10 to 11.
It's 10 to 11, Logan, I know. So we're here, we're having a good night. We've got a lovely fire in. Olivia's gone bad, she's asleep, she's tired. So it's just us up. The boys are up, aren't they, Logan?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it. We've got a lovely fire. And there's everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
That's
Right. We'll see you tomorrow. It's 11:15. And Sherman decides, let's cook. Let's cook chops. Look at them.
Let's pay £5 for a piece of cake. Of course, I want a chop.
He's been in the pub and he paid £5 for a piece of cake. Look at them chops now.
Fat ones.
Oh, them are nice.
They look good.
We've got a lovely fire. Yeah, look, we can see you, Sherm.
Every
Can I-
video you do, they do look good.
He does. Look at that for a fire. We've got Shane and Rosa there. We've got Tash and Sherm. And you got me.
Movies in bed.
Yeah, Mum, Sam has gone bed, as if, 11:45, as if you've gone bed. Look at that for a fire. Awesome. Awesome. Lovely night. And I've got to have a zoom in on these chops.
Yeah, this.
Look at them. Have we got them?
He was running around the
Can't
field
see.
an hour ago.
Oh yeah, look at
Caught
that.
him with my bare hands.
It was running round, now we're eating it. Right. See you later. Morning. It's 7:30. Just me up. But actually the kids have just woke up. I just put my dogs out. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah. Are you wait? Look, look. Boo. Look. Yeah. That's it. And there's Sam up there. Sleep. Yeah. Right, brilliant. Lovely morning. Lovely morning. It's Rambo. Right. Messy. What you doing? There's Messy. Say hi. Yeah. That's one of Rambo's pups. Sapphire's pups. Saf, stop eating grass. You're a dog, not a cow. We have a look round. Look at that sun coming up. That's my tent. That's Big Bertha. Oh, lovely. It's going to be a nice day. Right, I'll catch you later. See you later. There we go. Right, off a walk the canal. I've just blown the boat up, not the kayak. I've blown the boat up for Sherman and Ryan. Let's just put this a bit much. Right. And here we are. Back in a bit. Yeah, I can go on the canal in this boat. Can you see it? Rambo, shut up. That's going to be funny. Look at this for a boat. Brilliant. Olivia's got the paddle. Up the creek about a paddle. There's Logan and Shane carrying the boat. Yeah, what's that paddle on this car? 2 cars. There's my daughter, Tasha. Got Daddy's good looks. Aye, aye, aye. I don't know where the sun's gone. Today's been. It was good this morning, but it's just gone a bit crappy now, hasn't it, Rye?
Yeah, it sounds like
Yeah, that's Rye, his new haircut.
slick.
Slick. Slick Rick. Yeah. It's nice here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, yeah.
Aye, aye. Hey, come on, let's go. We get on the canal. Right. Lovely place here. Yeah. Through the gate, oh yeah. Perfect. Let's have a look, have a look. That's that way, and that's that way. Look at the tan on me. Look at this trim. That's it, Logue, he's a good boy, shut gate, see? Yeah, look at this, there you go, look at that.
You can go any further, right? Please turn round.
Go on, Rye.
Wait, I just don't want to.
Oh, Ryan did it with ease. What's up with you, Shane? Look how easy Ryan did that.
Hey, look, 2 people can go in there.
Hey?
2 people can't go in there.
You will sing.
How'd you do it? What phases again?
One way, one the other.
I'm sure you've done it right.
Supposed to go for the same one.
No, we don't. One has to go one way. That's it. Ah, God knows. No, Sherman did it, not me.
Just pull them apart.
What's your boat coming to get run over this one?
Can run over. We go about 3 miles an hour. Messing about on the river. How you doing good, mate? Look at that.
Oh, good, he's going head for that boat.
Come here then, give us a go.
Come on. Look at Sherman's beer. On the beer. Can't swim back. Everyone's a slow punch in that, you know, by the way. I'm kidding.
Bye bye.
I just need the beer now.
Yeah. Where's your beer?
Oh, there's a barge.
There's a bar. There's a barge cooking.
Better stay down there. How am I going to get back? Come on.
Paddle one way, then turn it, and so you're doing each side.
Why it's too deep to
Look at
swim.
this. Messing about on the river. Oh, it's walk up here. How funny is that, eh?
Don't be running. next
No,
to
because
the
if you
side.
trip up, you'll be on film. You come here. Yeah, dive in. Do a running jump.
But the currency might take you under.
I'm just going to let this thing go past me.
Yeah. He's over there, can you see him? There's a barge on its way up.
Right at at that side.
Right at yours, are you alright?
Can clip your corner.
There's an hole in there. I can hear it.
I can hear it. Sinking.
We've got enough room that past there, haven't we?
Oh God, yeah, it's massive, a canal is.
It'll take about half an hour then.
Where is it?
It's going down, that is.
About another minute.
It's going down.
It's going down.
A minute.
I can hear it as well.
Blow it up then. Will it sink? Yeah, we have some fun, we do. Look.
I'm going to swim, aren't I?
Here's a barge. It's alright, there's loads in it. There's loads in it.
Let's come and give me a go quick before
Yeah, before it goes. That's it, look at this for a barge. How nice is that? Whoa, give it the arm, man. That's nice.
You alright?
You alright, bud?
Come here now. Oh, sorry. I thought it was an aerial.
Yeah! No, you're clear now, mate.
Come here. What?
Literally, your opponent is going to die. Yeah, literally,
Give me a go quick.
Yeah. That's it. You have to go other way, you have to begin backwards. You have to do one side till you turn round. Use that paddle, you'll be alright. You're stuck.
Come on.
I am Shane, hang on a minute. It's going down.
Oh, how fun is that? Hey. Right, I'm getting pause for a bit. Yeah, he might have got all the game now.
Wow, fucking no
Come on, Ryan. How you doing? Good.
That's why it's the right way.
That's it. See? You can do it now. All aboard. That's Burrell. How good's that? See that? How easy was that, Rye?
Good. Enjoy that.
Yeah. Yeah. Go on, Shane, straight in.
Let me give us a bit of air. Yeah, it's going down.
On where? What are you getting blue? Oh yeah, blow it. I'll pause it a bit then. There you are, Shane's just getting in the boat. There you are. How easy is that? Easy peasy.
I don't know, you're flinching out now.
There's a boat coming. Oh, look at this.
Get me hand, someone. It's coming.
It's panicking. Oh God.
Get me.
Get me, have you hit him? Oh, never right, Harvey. Hey. Never right. Oh, lovely. Here's another barge passing. Look at that. Beautiful.
I like you pass, mate. I don't want to show you up in my boat.
In your little boat. That's lovely, that is. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. There's another one coming down as well. Quite busy here. Oh, look who's here. Jim! You're on candid camera.
We don't do that. There's one coming up.
Chilling now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Only for him?
Yeah.
Ah, right. Sorted. Yeah. Over the canal ways. Brilliant.
You are live on.
You are now back live. And Ryan's going to get on the boat with him. Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is going to be fun.
Oh, mate.
Right, what the f***?
Oh, yeah, there.
Go on.
Hey, oh, we got one each. That's it. How good's that?
Oh, wow, we're off now.
Hey, are we going? Full speed ahead, skip it.
Go that way.
What about no, we don't want to be in the middle, do we?
Right, let's swap cameras to front. Go. How good that looks. Like two Indians in it in the films, aren't they? Go on, you're flying it. Yeah, look at it. What's that beer bottle?
Yeah, stand at this side, let me just move it.
Yeah, move them beer bottles, Sash. And I'm just going over here. Come on, you've got sink. You've got, they're all on camera when we sink.
We're not planning on coming back.
Long way to the next pub.
It is, it is.
Providing a bit of entertainment.
It is, it is. They were moving well.
Olympics next.
Yeah.
Discipline.
Talk about panic. That was his face, that was so funny.
What are you doing?
Is it gonna zoom in? Oh yeah. Oh wow, what a zoom in. Look at him.
Oh, you better stop it.
Messing about on the river. We're sinking.
We're stuck.
He's even got an audience. Oh. Oh, we're never right. Oh, have you seen him?
What?
Swim over.
No way.
Let's have another zoom in.
Go. Right, you got to
Look at these pair.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, I've zoomed in on you.
Hey, we're going now.
Yeah, go on.
Call me Mo. Mo Farrick.
Mo Farrick. Wheelbarrow.
Let's go upstream now. Okay, come there.
This pair. Oh. It's so funny.
Sorry, you can't tell people.
Stand up and dive in like you did last time.
Titanic. Want to go, Tash? Right.
Oh, how good's there.
No way. Rain pictures in a wet t-shirt competition.
Come on, mate, I'm stoked.
Where are we going? Not back to shore.
No,
See what that building is?
That building.
no, German. I'm pretty sure boats don't not supposed to go south.
Leave that stuff there if you want. Come walk up with us.
Don't you want your beer?
Yeah. We'll come to shore.
Well, that was so funny. That's it. Right, we'll see you in a bit.
Doesn't work like that, so.
I'm gonna try and get out. Go on. Go on.
Go to shore, yeah?
Let me make it a bit smaller so I can get you in. Oh, just look at these pair. Hey, you're doing well. Come on, you're doing well. I don't know if you can see him.
They're not in the voting committee.
Oh, look who's here. How we got you? Go on, give it some.
We could be in the Olympics.
Yeah. How far are you going? Down to the pub?
It's not in a taxi service, not going.
Want to lift to the pub?
See what I can rescue.
He'll be sinking him in and rescue.
We knock on his neighbours and ask him for a spare sugars. Not in the bush.
Push out.
Oh, we are funny. On the canal. With Sherman and Ryan. Smile, Tash. Yeah, kiddie, smile. There's one, there's two. That's there.
This spoiled sports.
I just had a shower.
Yeah, I have.
Let's have another.
Have it over. Right, that was brilliant. Right, see you in a bit. And here we are, sitting at Ranbury Mill. And just at the side of us is...
We have arrived.
They've arrived. Sherman and Ryan on the boat. They've been quite funny, these have, haven't they? Yeah. Are you going to try sink it?
Move over a bit. No. Yeah, move over and squat.
See if you can sink it. Do some dancing.
There's no right to be out here. You don't know
They're facing one another, look at them. Brilliant.
do a dance.
Do a dance, yeah. Right. Let's say goodbye. Goodbye. I'm going to walk back now. I've left them lot enjoying it down there. That was quite funny, wasn't it? A good time here. Yeah. Cotton Arms. Lovely. Aye. Oh, some lovely boats as well. Very popular. Look up there. Up that canal. Quite a few barges. Narrow boats, I like to say. It's not a barge. Beautiful. Right. Hanging back to the camper. And probably light the barbie. Now so, see you later. The barbie's lit. And it's smoking nice. The sun has proper just come out for the last half hour. Look at that wasp. Bloody mint. Hey, what are you doing with my tray? That's it. That's Sammy and my son. Tasha, Olivia, Logan, Ryan. There's Ryan's tent. Brilliant. Yeah, people got the barbies out. Don't know if you can see, it's that bright. All round, them for tents over there. I'm telling you what, them tents are just huge. Got loads of canopies on. That's it. There was a few wasps about. That's Sherm, got his new chair. Right, look at these here, look. Hey. Never right, see you in a bit. Well, these burgers lovely on the barbie. There's Sam. Tasha's got a burger. Oh, Sherm has. Look who we got here. We got chicken on as well now. You can see. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Wow. Mm. You can't beat it. Mm. How thick them are. Keep nice on the barbie. He's checking. I'll be doing a few more burgers on the man. Right. See you later. Well, I'm chilling with the fire. Look at that. Out right.
Right.
Yeah, we're chilling with the fire. Got a whiskey. Red Stag. Black cherry whiskey. Awesome. Yeah, lovely night. Look at that fire. Just look. There's my buddy Ryan. We're chilling. Sherman's about. Everybody's about. Oh, lovely Saturday night. In a minute, I'm going to get the stove out and some oatcakes. Oh, here's look. Logan, he's 4 more. And get the... Well, I forgot what I was saying now. Right. That's it. We'll have some oatcakes, cheese and oatcakes and all that. Buzzing. Lovely night. I'll see you all in a bit. Well, morning. You know, we didn't get up till 9 o'clock. Had a lie-in. And Sam's just got up. Livy's got up. She's eating straight away. Logan's awake. He ain't got out of bed. And Tasha's awake and she's just getting dressed. So, lovely. Aye, aye, aye. Look at them wasted beer. That was off Sherman and Ryan. They've opened them and I've even drunk them. I've had another great weekend. Shane and Rose are still in the tent. They have been up, but they got back in, probably gone to sleep again. So, sorted. See you in a bit. Bacon, cheese, oatcakes. And we're all eating. There we go, look at Logan's. Nice. Yeah, just cooking the bacon first. I haven't had any yet. Starving. See you in a bit. Awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Tell you. Oh, so nice. Mm. How nice. Ah, lovely. The sun is out now. Proper belting down. Awesome. Look at that. There's the oatcake arm. And here's the cheese. Right. Oh yeah. Perfect. Whoa. Yeah, how nice that is. Hey, the sun is blaring. It is blaring. That is lovely, lovely jubbly. And I got a piece of bacon left. Look at that. Oh wow, lovely, lovely. Alright, look at that. Cheese is melted. Yeah?
It's not just leaves, there wasn't too much going to it.
There's the bacon.
You have to use your booster and have it plugged into the van.
Yeah, look at that.
You get enough juice going through it.
Getting better. Oh, it's lovely that is. Let's just open there. Can't fault it. Look. Yeah, there's Big Bertha. Lovely. There's Shane. Right. I'll see if I can roll it up now on its own. Right. No, you can't do it. You can hold the camera as well. Right. See you in a bit. Isn't that what it looks like? Get that. Oh, it's a bit hot though. Sorted. What is it? Well, we just put the awning away. We have, and we got the shade out. This awning, it's not in. You know, like the one that's built on the camper. It's big as well, isn't it? Yeah. Beautiful that, isn't it? That is awesome. Some nice shades. We're going to be here at least another hour. We can have some sandwiches. Oh, yeah, that's lovely that, isn't it? Eh? Because when you got that much sun, you need this shade, and it does come out so far. Proper awesome. Big Berthy. Awesome. What a nice pic that'll make. Brilliant. Hello, Saf. Yeah. The rotties go under the camp if you do. Brilliant. Brilliant. And there's Rambo, look. He's come pop in the awning. Have it yet? Oh. Have you come see me? Yeah. Oh, hey, it's proper massive, this is. Awesome. So there was no rush, get home. Sunday. Had a lie-in today, did well, did well. Can't believe it, usually up about 6. We are. God, I'm sweating. Tents all put away, awning. I've just got to do the barbie in a sec. You know, we're nearly there, and have something to eat. We can check my tyres actually as well before we drive home. Empty the toilet. Brilliant. Right. See you in a bit. That's it. Nearly loaded. I just thought I'll come and check that last vid because you can't see it outside. And I thought, ooh, we'll just say hello in here as well. Hello. Here we are. Get us all under here. Yeah, do some waving.
Logan's gone.
Yeah, shows you gun. Oh, look at that for a gun. Yeah, how good.
See her.
Wow.
There's everybody.
See her.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, that's Brill.
There she is.
Party on. There's Tash, daughter. Olivia. Logan, show you gun, mate. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Sammy. Rosa. Shane. Rambo. Where's Saf? under the camper. Never right. Right, and there's me. We have a good time. We'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Wow. So right, we just adjust this. Are you having a look, Sam? Right, we're going to go home now. Had a fantastic weekend. Oh yeah, mint weekend. Yet another one. Brilliant. Right. Anyway, see you all on the next trip.